my jam! Hey, I didn't see you there. I'm making salami and I'm filling in for Bill Nye today. He's a serious case of carbon monoxide poisoning, so that's what we're going to be learning about. Carbon monoxide. Now, carbon monoxide is formed from one atom of carbon and one atom of oxygen. It has 10 valence electrons. Because of this, for each atom to have an octet, it must share a triple bond. One of the bonds is completely composed of electrons from the oxygen. Because of this, here comes a big science term here, it's known as dative, or coordinate. It gives the atom a slightly positive charge. Now, we learned earlier that carbon monoxide is the product of incomplete combustion, so let's go see some sources of it now. Gas goes like this are fueled by propane. Like this. Man, I need to work out more. If wired incorrectly, it's very easy to get carbon monoxide poisoning from girls like this. Carbon monoxide is everywhere, even some in the atmosphere. However, carbon monoxide poisoning is very serious. It is easily avoidable though with carbon monoxide detectors, such as this one. That hurts. The carbon monoxide detector we saw outside uses batteries. It's known as an electrical chemical sensor. It has electrodes and a chemical solution, typically sulfuric acid, that when it detects carbon monoxide, an alarm sounds. Another type of carbon monoxide detector that uses electrical currents is the metal oxide semiconductor. This, instead of using electrodes, has pressure plates. Pressure circuitry senses when it comes in contact with carbon monoxide and an alarm sounds. The third type of carbon monoxide detector is known as a biometric sensor. In the old days, they used to have to check to make sure to see when the gel color changed. But now, it uses alarms. This type of carbon monoxide detector is still typically obsolete though. In the way old days though, have you guys ever heard of canary in a coal mine? What's that? I'm glad you asked. Coal miners in the old days would use birds like this to make sure there was no carbon monoxide detectors down in the mines. When the bird was alive and happy, just like this one, they knew that everything was safe and it could continue working. However, when the birds died, they knew that something was wrong and they had to get out of the coal mines fast. No birds were harmed in making this video. Coal miners use canaries because they're affected more quickly than humans. Humans can experience symptoms such as headaches, dizziness, nausea, and comatose convulsions before death. Although carbon monoxide is dangerous, it can be beneficial industrially. It's used in the Mond process, which heats carbon monoxide around impure nickel and turns it from nickel oxide into pure nickel. It is also used in the meat packing industry to keep old meats looking fresher longer. It keeps the meat pink using oxyhemoglobin. So now, you know all you need to know about carbon monoxide. And remember, only you can prevent carbon monoxide poisoning. Gotta run! Manual dexterity is reduced. Headaches. Humans can expect to can be beneficial in the industrial it's not you. To pure nickel oxide. Or gosh darn it! It turns nickel oxide to pure nickel. It's used in the Mond process. Okay. Oh, no more bread! Oh no! Oh, there's some cracks. Okay. Okay, you're done. Yeah!